Hey, entertainers, this is Dr. John Tantillo, the marketing doctor. And in 5 more days, we have the Go Brand Yourself and Manage Yourself workshop at the Metropolitan Room, 9 o'clock. Why do you want to go? Because I got a different way for you to understand what a brand is. Everybody talks about what a brand is, but you're going to actually learn what it is and how to implement it in your professional life. And to start it off, a brand is more than a name. It's what comes to mind when you mention a name and how you go about promoting that name. And if you think that you have the answer to that, then you don't need the course. But if you're looking for an alternative answer, why don't you come and join us 9 o'clock, Metropolitan Room, this coming Monday. And I have one thing to tell you. Go brand yourself and follow me on Twitter at Marketing Doctor. Bye-bye.